Hello, my name is Ola and today's date is 20 January year 2021. So I want to talk about the topic that says, are we children of God? The Bible says, if you read from the book of John chapter 1, it says, to him that believe on his name, to him is given power to become sons of God. So firstly, to become children of God, for we to become children of God, we should believe in Jesus himself. Is you believe that he died for us and he came to save us. And secondly, we are to Jesus. We are given instruction to do good to our neighbors. He said by doing this, we are automatically children of God, because doing good, loving our enemies, doing good to those who don't love us also make us children of God. But the first criteria is to believe in Jesus and to believe that he came to save us, and that's one. And also to do good to our neighbors to make us to be children of God.